Hello, everyone. Welcome to a brand new series called Speak Like a Pro. In this series, we will learn practical English expressions. Today's topic is expressing our opinions. We usually express our general opinions using the phrase I think. It's one of the most common expressions, but it's better to use different expressions instead of saying I think every time. So, let's learn five alternatives to I think by listening to a conversation between Nisha and Divya. As you listen, try to notice the different expressions Divya uses to express her opinions. By the end of this lesson, we will know when to use each expression and how they progress from less certain to more professional. But first, let's hear them in action. Listen carefully and see if you can spot each expression. Hi Divya,
Hi Nisha.
what do you think of online shopping?
I think it helps people save time and energy. It also creates more delivery jobs.
Do you think everyone prefers shopping online?
I guess people who work long hours usually prefer shopping online because it saves them time.
What do you think will happen to small shops that don't sell online?
In my opinion, they need to find new ways to attract customers if they want to stay competitive.
That's true. Many small shopkeepers find it difficult to cope with the competition.
I feel customers still value personal service, so local shops can continue to do well if they build strong relationships.
Do you think businesses should sell both online and offline?
I believe that's the best approach because it helps them reach more customers.
What's your favorite thing about online shopping?
From my perspective, the biggest advantage is the convenience, along with easy returns and refund policies.
I completely agree. Did you notice something? Apart from her first answer, Divya didn't always use the phrase I think. Instead, she used five alternatives to express her opinions. Let's understand why she chose each one. Listen to the expression what Divya used.
I guess people who work long hours usually prefer shopping online because it saves them time.
Here, Divya isn't saying that everyone prefers shopping online. She is making a reasonable guess based on what she knows. That's why she uses I guess. So, we use I guess when we are not completely sure about something. Let's listen to the next expression used by Divya.
I feel customers still value personal service, so local shops can continue to do well if they build strong relationships.
This is her personal feeling and opinion about customers. She isn't stating it as a fact. That's why she says, I feel. So we use I feel when our opinion comes from our personal feeling, experience, or impression. Let's move on to the next expression that Divya used in the conversation.
I believe that's the best approach because it helps them reach more customers.
Here, Divya sounds confident about her opinion. She strongly believes that selling both online and offline is the best approach. That's why she says, I believe. We use I believe when we are confident about our opinion. It sounds stronger than I think and is often used in professional situations. Now, let's look at another expression that Divya used.
In my opinion, they need to find new ways to attract customers if they want to stay competitive.
Here, Divya is giving her own viewpoint about what small shops should do. That's why she uses in my opinion. We use in my opinion when we want to express a clear viewpoint. It's polite, natural, and commonly used in discussions and presentations. Here is the final expression used by Divya.
From my perspective, the biggest advantage is the convenience, along with easy returns and refund policies.
Here, Divya is sharing her own point of view about online shopping. She is expressing the opinion from her perspective. That is why she uses from my perspective. We use from my perspective when our opinion is based on our own experience or point of view. It sounds thoughtful and highly professional. Now, let's put everything together. As we move from less certain to more professional, our opinions sound more confident and more polished. We use I guess when we are not completely sure. We use I feel when we are sharing a personal feeling or impression. We use I believe when we have a strong conviction. We use in my opinion when we are expressing a clear viewpoint. We use from my perspective when we are speaking from our experience or point of view. Remember, there is no best expression. Choose the one that matches how certain you are and the situation you are speaking in. The more you practice these expressions, the more natural and confident your English will sound.
I have a question for all of you watching. What do you think about online education? Share your opinion in the comments using any one of the five alternatives we learned today. Challenge: if you use I think, your comment won't count. Thanks for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Like this video, share it with others, and leave a comment below. Also, hit the bell icon to stay updated on our future lessons.